Welcome to English literature class, my dear students of class 12th. Yesterday you read that Prospero says that there are a few odd persons. Prospero says to Alonso, there are a few odd persons from your ship's crew missing, whom you have forgotten. Here re-entered Ariel, forcing Caliban, Stefano, and Trinculo. They are wearing their stolen garments. Stefano says, every man shift for all the rest, and let no man take care for himself, for all is but fortune. Cargio, bully monster, Cargio. Stefano says, as he is astonished, he is in great amazement. He says, let every man take care of the others, and let nobody take care of himself, because everything depends on fortune. Have courage, my friend master, have courage. Trinculo says, if these be true, spies which I wear in my head, here's goodly sight. Trinculo says, if the eyes which I have in my head do not deceive me, here is a splendid sight. Splendid, grandeur sight. Caliban says, oh, Setebos, these be brave spirits indeed. How fine my master is. I am afraid he will chastise me. Caliban is afraid now. He says, by Setebos. Setebos, the boss. You can say the boss of Sycorax, the mother of Caliban. By Setebos, these are really wonderful spirits. How fine my master Prospero is. He understood that he has been caught now, so he is going to appreciate Prospero, not Stefano now. He says, how fine my master Prospero is. I am afraid that he will punish me. He is afraid too. Sebastian says, ha ha, what things are these, my lord Antonio? Will money buy them? Sebastian says, ha ha, what strange creatures are these, Lord Antonio? Can they be bought with money? Antonio says, very like one of them is a plain fish and no doubt marketable. He says, it is possible that they could be bought with money. One of them is a plain fish and no doubt can be bought. He says about Caliban. Prospero says, mark but the badges of these men, my lords, then say if they be true. This misshapen knave, his mother was a witch and one so strong that could control the moon, make flows and ebbs, and deal in her command without her power. Prospero says, look at their clothes and then say whether they are honest or not. Because their clothes are stolen. This deformed rascal is the son of a witch. She was so powerful that she could exercise the power of the moon, make the tide flow as well as ebb. He and his companions have stolen my garments and deal in the command with his power. These three have robbed me, and this demi-devil, for his bastard one, had plotted with them to take my life. Two of these fellows you must know and own. This thing of darkness I acknowledge mine. He says, he and his companions have stolen my garment. He, the illegitimate son of a witch, due to her association with the devil, is himself half a devil. He had conspired with the other two to murder me. You must be knowing the other two. since they are from your side. He says to Alonso, I admit that this wicked monster is my servant. Caliban says, I shall be punished to death. Caliban has got afraid. He says, I will be pinched to death. I will be tortured to death. Alonso says, is not this Stefano my drunken butler? Is this not Stefano my drunken butler? Butler means a manservant who serves wines. Sebastian says he is drunk now. Where had he wine? Sebastian says he is drunk at present. Where did he get the wine from? Alonso says, and Trinculo is reeling ripe. Where should they find this grand liquor that had guided them? Trinculo is staggering under the influence of wine. He is not under his control. Where could they have found the strong liquor that has made them so drunk? How comest thou in this pickle? How did you manage to get into the messy state, disorderly state? Trinculo says, I have been in such a pickle since I saw you last that I fear me will never out of my bones. I shall not fear fly blowing. Trinculo says, I have been in such a pickle, salt water, since I last saw you. I am afraid that I will never get the salt out from my bones. Being drenched in salt water, I am free from flies defiling means defiling me. Sebastian says, why, how now, Stefano? Well, what is the matter, Stefano? Stefano says, oh, touch me not. I am not Stefano, but a cramp. Stefano says, oh, do not touch me, because I am not Stefano. I am a mass of pain. Prospero says, you would be king on the isle, Sirra. So, would you be the king of this island, sir? Oh, Stefano says, I should have been a sore one then. Stefano says, I would have been a king full of pains then. I would have been a king full of pains then. Alonso says, this is a strange thing as ever I looked on. Alonso said, this is a stranger creature as I have ever seen. Pointing to Caliban, Prospero says that he is as disproportioned in his manners as in his shape. Go, Sirrah, to my cell, talk with your companions, as you look to have my pardon, trim it handsomely. Prospero says, he is as abnormal in his manners as in his shape. Caliban, go to my cell, take your companions with you, make the place look beautiful if you wish to seek my forgiveness. These are the conditions from which I can forgive you. What are? Go to my cell, take your companions with you, make the place look beautiful. Caliban says, that I will, and I will be wise hereafter and seek for grace. What a thrice double ass was I to take this drunkard for a god, and I worship this dull fool. Caliban now he is repenting. In repentance he says, I will do so. Whatever you said, I will do so. And in future I will behave sensibly if I have to win your favor. What a donkey I was to take this drunkard for a god and worship this dull fool. Prospero says, go away. Prospero says, well then, go and do as I ordered you. Alonso says, hence, and bestow your luggage where you found it. Alonso says, yes, go away and dispose of these clothes. from where you found them, from you have stolen. Sebastian says, or stole it rather. Sebastian now he is also repenting. He says, or rather put them back in the place from where you stole them. Exeunt Caliban, Stefano, and Trinculo. And what happens after that? Prospero, what Prospero says, and how the story, how the drama ends, you will study in my next video. That would be my last video of drama, Act 5, Scene 1. Thank you so much.